out from Eastern Hot Rodder, and today we're at the CARicular Activity Show at the Oaks Academy, Cherokee County's School of Innovation. We're just starting out. We're not even at registration time, and we've already got about 50 plus cars. I think we're gonna have a really good day. So stick around, check out the video as we walk you through this whole show throughout the day. I think you're gonna enjoy it. We got a lot of vendors and everything. We're gonna build this T-bucket. These cars just keep rolling in, and we're filling up the parking lot pretty quick. We're actually running out of spots. There's only a few more spots down there, and we're gonna have to start bringing these cars around this loop, and then we're gonna start using the lawn and probably having to start parking them back on that back field. So this is pretty cool, man. This is really cool. All right, guys, so we are easily at the 100 car mark because we got 72 paved parking spots, and then we got cars going all the way up around the loop, all the way back up around. We got a little Bantam hot rod drag car over there. We got another drag car we're going to show you in just a few minutes. It's a little Falcon. It's pretty badass looking. So again, we're at the Cherokee County School of Innovation. This is our Oaks Academy. We're going to build our kids a T-bucket, and we're raising money for that cause. So we got well over 100 people showed up here. It's $10 registration. People are putting bikes in, they're putting cars in, putting trucks in, they're putting Jeeps in, they're putting slot cars and model kits in. It's everybody's pouring out to support this school and support our project. And we got vendors over here. Vendor spots are cheap, just 20 bucks. And they seem to be happy because they're kind of busy. And and we got we got Austin, the infamous Austin. Awesome Austin. How's it going, man? So we got, and all the shirts we sell at this booth, this is the Eastern Hot Rodder booth. All these shirts that are for sale today, we're gonna donate 20% of all our sales to the school as well. So we got plenty of shirts, we got plenty of gifts, we got plenty of stuff, and we got mini truck parking, we got hot rods everywhere. This is just a fantastic show. This will not be our only show here. And eventually we're going to be filling up that backfield with vendors and stuff as this show grows. So we're hoping to turn this into one of the biggest shows this county sees. And there's cars here I've never seen before. So this is really cool. Check out these. There's the cow. They got Mickey's little truck with no bed on it. And then this little truck here, that's my buddy Scotty's got that one. This thing's got a screaming little LS in it. Badass little truck. There's Ricky and his S10. And we got John's steak body. Let's go over here and we'll check out some of these model cars that are in the contest over here. This is pretty neat. As you guys know, we do some slot car drag racing, and these guys are slot cars and also regular cars. So we got some of these are slot cars here. This whole table here is all slots, and even this one's a slot car here. This is Lisa Cody's. That's really cool. Ray builds a lot of these cars and stuff, so he's got these out here on display. And over on this side, you got Ray's boxes with stuff in it. Check out the little Harley truck he built, the wheelie car. It's just freaking cool. And here's the chassis jig. He's got this body getting ready to get built. He's got stuff in different states of assembly. That's a neat little Austin right there. Check out that paint job on that shoe. That's as slick as a real car. Yeah, this is so if you guys are watching this is Paradise Hobby. We got Peachtree Dragway. This is where we race. And they can set you up with everything you need to start racing. My aunt's here setting up, giving out candy, trying to give people cavities. Yeah, see how she's doing it. So we got guys selling parts. There's a nice air ride set up right there. Those are some nice Corvette valve covers. I like the old Mickey Thompson. They're not even script. Those are cool. So we got some vendors here. We got furniture vendors. Check out that table made on an old sewing machine base. Nice table. He's got all sorts of stuff. This is pretty cool. Check out these tables. This is really neat stuff. And you got my buddy Paul. He makes a bunch of cool stuff in here too. How's it going, Paul? He's got the right hat on for the day. So he's making all these cool cutting boards and stuff. And there you can see his connection right there. And he came out to support the show. We got other cool signs here, all handmade stuff. Good garage art. And with these guys, they also have this pretty nasty Falcon drag car here. And this thing's really neat. They're I've seen this car at a couple other shows. It's got a built 351 in there. Looks like it's a real going hot rod right there. I mean, that thing's cool. Kind of reminds me of the old super stock cars and stuff from back in the 60s when the Ford was backing them heavy. Got more woodwork and stuff over here. And he's got turning the wood bowls and stuff. And he's got these cool signs of the hot rod garage with the pistons. That's neat. 70 Chevelle, old F100, and a Roadster. Motorcycle parts for all if you need motorcycle parts, we got you covered here too. This is a car and bike show. Anything with wheels basically. So, and this is the old truck that he came in. It's the 63 Ford F-150 or F-100. They weren't 150s quite yet. It's a neat old rat rod pick 'em up truck. Yeah. So as of 1:45, 1:50, I guess it is. What time it is? We have 117 registered and still more rolling in. We got we got stuff from all over the place. We got some really cool stuff, and a couple people are this is just overwhelming. So walk through. We got 130 cars registered. There's about 20 cars that didn't register. Just some really nice stuff. We got good old Bill from Flat Broke coming out and supporting the school. We got everything from old T-buckets, which is awesome because that's what we're going to be building, up to modern stuff and new stuff. You know, the usual Mustangs and Chargers and Challengers. We got to check out this S10. This is Scotty's truck, the tandem axle. He remember reading about this in magazines when he was younger, and it came up for sale, so he grabbed it. Small block Chevy swap. It's kind of wild. Got some cool bikes that came in for the show. Got these two here. Check out this little Yamaha Enduro. That's really neat too. This little Yamaha is a cute little bike. There was a bunch more bikes up that way. We got man, just all sorts of stuff here. It's amazing the number of people that poured out for the show. This is our first show. We got 130 cars registered as a first-time show in Cherokee County. That's gigantic for our little county. It was a fabulous job our kids did with everything. We got the word out good on it. And check out these bikes. These guys are for sale. Pretty wild looking. Tank shift. That's pretty cool. I like the that's real gold leaf there on the tank there, it looks like. Very cool. Nice 55 Chevy. Detailed, nice small block in there with air conditioning. Nice little driver. This is Reed's pickup truck. You saw this in some other show coverage you've done. Cool looking. Looks at quick glance looks like a stalker, but then the wheels give it away as not being a stalker. We got my buddy's Challenger SRT car over there. We got pink Supra. Thanks for coming, guys. Nice little Monty SS. I'm gonna walk this row up here and see what we got. We got the G-Body Shuffle. This is Danny's. Nice, that's a nice Malibu. I like that one. Beautiful four little F100 or F150 pick 'em up truck. It's a 95, 4-wheel drive, just about as clean as they get. That's a nice looking truck. Check out that bus. That's just a cool little bus. We've done a short on that bus. That's the short on that bus, or is it a short bus? I guess it's both. It's just a beautiful little lowered little bug. Let's see what else we got here. My wife took the T-Bird out today. She likes driving that one. I just love those Astro Supremes on it. That's our basement bird. You can see that in our videos too. It's we rescued that one from a basement in Cleveland, Tennessee. Don's 33 Ford. He brought an air hose, I guess, just in case he runs out of air. A little mild custom. Nice looking Ford there. Good looking Ford custom line. That one sounded really good. I hope I can get that one on the way out. It's a 56. Nice 57 little four-door. That would be a nice little cruiser. And then my buddy Doug Thompson's little competition coupe. Check this out. This is he built the chassis himself and everything. Little 4-cylinder Chevy. And it goes pretty good. Lightweight. It's just pretty wild looking. There it is. Look at that single light on there. That's just so cool. Here's an overall look of the field here. We got cars all over the place. Yeah, lots of stuff here. Little Nova convertible, is a beautiful little car. It's got a nice little 6-cylinder in it, but a little bigger than stock. Reed's pickup. This is his little rat rod truck. It's got a big block Chevy in it. Kind of like that sucker. Here's a T. Gene's had this car for years. It's just kind of neat. This is giving our kids some inspiration on some of the stuff they're going to build. Nice 8-second street Camaro. This car's badass. You can see that in our short. This got picked up one of our other cruise-ins. I got our 1.21 gigawatts of injection. I got Mike's Purple People Eater.
Hey, buddy.
How's it going, man? This is a nice pickup truck too. Pretty color. I like this Hugger Orange one, 72. 72 is a great looking little truck. This is a nice little Nova. This was Maxine's mom's car, and it was a little 6-cylinder car. And then her husband John big blocked it and did a great job with it. It's nice to see it out. Real nice clean install. Look how he ran his hoses, heater hoses. He flipped the core around so the heater hoses aren't close to the engine block. Gave him a lot more room to work. That's a nice clean car. And we have to say it. Back to the Future. Hi, how are you? Good.
Let me kill the spider.
This is a nice clean example of a DeLorean. Just really nice. It's neat to see one.
All brand new.
It looks like it.
It is.
Yeah.
Frame restoration.
Yeah, oh, really?
Rotisserie.
No kidding.
Every nut and bolt.
It's beautiful.
And I did it myself.
Did you really?
Yourself.
This is a great car.
Yeah, this is really cool.
Everybody
Air
sees
conditioned.
it, so you have a lot of
Straight out of back of
It's not real voices they were, but rebuild it.
Wow. That's really cool. Little Maserati. And I really like this little Dodge pickup truck. Check this guy out. This is all stock. Still flathead 4-cylinder powered. And I just love hearing these things even start up. Now, what I didn't know is these actually had hydraulic brake systems back in 27, I believe you said it was. Let's see. Yeah, 1927. So this is just a neat little pickup truck. I like the wood grain on it and everything. It's just cool. Check out all the contraption for the hardware and everything. This is just a neat truck. Galen's Mach 1. That's a nicely restored Mustang. Very cool little car. And we come up here, and some of these guys you'll recognize from our other videos. There's a nice little small block under the hood of this one detail. Look how tall those valve covers are. Yeah, nice little long bed pickup truck. There's Roger Roberts with his 69 Camaro. And there's his brother's crazy, insane Honda S2000 with a blown LS. And this little 32 Ford that is just a nice little 32. Go up through this way. Good looking Viper. Awesome 54 Chevy. Nice 55 Chevy with a big block in it. Nice 55 with a small block in it. And then of course Tony's deer slaying Nova. Yeah, this is just a great show. Nice lower 2001 Chevy. Regular cab on air. I had an extended cab version. I kind of missed it actually. Good looking truck. Little K20. These square bodies just amazes me how much more popular they became. It's got the fog light bumpers and parking light bumpers. Little Red. Little Ford F-150. That's still an F-100 year. They didn't go F-150 until much later. Little Red was a little blue at one time. See that? Got good patina. This one's a 1971. Kind of cool little truck. It's got a good set of wheels on it. It sits pretty decent. Nice little driver. And these young guys back here are some of the guys that are owning it. And then, of course, Tim's beautiful Buick with a big old built 455 under there. Looking great. This thing thunders. Great sounding. But yeah, we got a lot of nice cars. Thanks to the generosity of Valley River Chevrolet in Murphy, North Carolina, and the generous donors and participants at the event, we have raised $8,000 to kick off the Hot Rodding 101 class. The show was so successful and the feedback so positive that we will definitely be hosting more shows. The hot rodding community is the best. Thank you from the staff and the students of the Oaks Academy School.